Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Pepe update today. Now Pepe is not bad, it's still looking quite good, and we still have some chances of looking at Pepe coming up to the technical target of 3693. So far on the daily time frame, I would actually say that Pepe has done something that it's supposed to do, and let me explain what this is. So the trend line, as I showed you on the 4-hour time frame. So I'm going to go back into the 4-hour time frame again, and let's talk about this trend line. So here it is. You have broken the trend line previously, where we had this touch right here, you had another touch right over there, you had another touch right over here, and one more touch, and then you broke to the upside, and then you came down, and it does look like you ended up having a retest. So that retest was important, and the question is, did the retest pass? Yes, the retest looks really done right there. So your stop losses are going to climb up a little bit higher. So previously we were at 1874. Now I do think you could actually set it up to 2019. I think if you come down to 2019, then we could say it could be very safe to say that you are coming under that line right there, and you're under the resistance again, and you could actually continue to go all the way to the downside. So on a perfect world, in a perfect scenario, we should be looking at Pepe actually coming up here and touching that technical target. It should be doing that, of course, but also be careful, because on the private I've been sharing that Bitcoin here has this one resistance going on. So you got the rejection over there. You can see that anytime you came to this trend line, you got rejected. You had a fake out here one time. So yeah, Bitcoin can actually move down to $96,000, which can actually spoil the day one more time. But if Bitcoin decides to stay a little bit sideways, and the Pepe market maker decide to pour in more money into Pepe, they could actually pump it all the way up to 3600 before we don't see another huge correction down in the near future. So to me, I think you're just doing the very old classical support and resistance, where you're breaking support and you're looking to continue on. And yes, that next technical target, you can see even out of this little bit of a pattern shows 3001. So we still must be looking at Pepe continue to go on up there. You can see that the EMAs as well, we still have the crossover of the EMA on the 4-hour time frame. We're still good. Even on the daily time frame, we still have the bull cross that is being maintained right over there. As a matter of fact, it does look like today you should be green. You should be green today. You should be moving up today and continue higher, because previous two daily candles are actually bullish. You can see it's red and green next to it. It actually is bullish harami candle stick pattern. And then today, hopefully, we should be looking at a move to the upside. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.